Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the brand new DJI Mini 3 drone. I've been using this drone from past few weeks and I'm excited to share my thoughts and experiences with you. The DJI Mini 3 is compact and lightweight drone that's perfect for beginners and casual users. It weighs only 249 grams, which means you don't need to register it with the FAA in the US and equivalent agencies in other countries. It also has a 12 megapixel camera that can shoot 2.7K video at 30 frames per second. One of the standout features of the DJI Mini 3 is its flight performance. It's incredibly stable and easy to control. Thanks to 3-axis gimbal and advanced flight sensor, it can fly up to 30 minutes on single charge and has a maximum range of 6 kilometers, which is more than enough for most users. Let's talk about the camera quality. The camera on the DJI Mini 3 is also very impressive, especially considering the size and the price of the drone. It can capture high-quality photos and videos with excellent color accuracy and dynamic range. The camera also has a few creative modes, such as quick shot and drone, that can help you to capture unique and engaging footage. Then the final, what is ease of use in this DJI Mavic Mini 3? Another thing I love about the DJI Mini 3 is how easy it to use it. The DJI Fly app is intuitive and user-friendly and gives you access to a variety of features and settings that can enhance your flying and filming experience. The drone also has a few safety features such as obstacle avoidance. That's the major feature in this model, and return back to home that can help you to avoid accidents and crashes. And what is the conclusion about this vlog is that overall I highly recommend that the DJI Mini 3 to anyone who wants a high quality drone that's easy to use and doesn't break the bank. It's perfect for casual user, beginners, and anyone who wants to capture stunning aerial footage. Thanks for watching this video.